Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be making a stock analysis of Viking Therapeutics. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And of course, remember, this isn't financial advice. This is purely for entertainment and educational purposes. As you can see right now from the graph, it is not looking that great. As you can see, each candle is 1 hour, but let me make them a bit bigger so we can get a better grasp of the stock. As you can see, it was first publicly traded back in 2015, and as you can see, it has had a quite nice run ever since then, trading up and down quite a bit. But then, as you can see right around here in late November of 2023, it really had a huge boom right up here. And this makes a lot of sense because they are working primarily with obesity drugs such as Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk. But ever since then, it has had quite a poor run. Let me just make this a bit normal again with the 1 hour candles. So as you can see from the top, as you can see right back here from the top here in 2024, early 2024 of 99, as you can see, it has had quite a poor run. We did see some peaks and valleys, but as you can see, it's quite a volatile stock. You can also see that down here in the RSI. Now, if you don't know what the RSI is, that is the relative strength index. So if something is here between 50 and 70, it's in the upper channel, meaning the stock is moving upwards. If it's above here, it means it's overbought, as you can see right here, and the stock moves upwards rapidly. If it's between 50 and 30, it's in the lower channel, meaning the stock is moving downwards. And if it's below 30, it's oversold, meaning, of course, the opposite, and the stock is moving down quickly. As you can see right here, we have a peak, or no, a valley down here. As you can see, we even have a gap in the stock because it fell rapidly. Now, as you can see, however, we're doing quite nicely at the moment. As you can see, back in April, we were down all the way about 20 bucks, but as you can see, we have increased quite nicely, which is great to see because I do own this stock and I am down quite a bit. I'm down about 50% of this stock at this point. As you can see, it's a decent sized company at $3.8 billion, and as you can see here, the beta of it is a bit more than average at 1.26, meaning it's a bit more volatile than the average index, and the base EPS of this is quite poor at minus 1.53, and as you can see, they're guiding with losing more and more money quarter over quarter, and they don't pay out in dividends, and as you can see, they don't even make any money. That's because they are only in the development phase, and they are doing so, but I do like the thing that they're making quite a lot, because I do think we're going to need to see more players on the obesity market, and personally, I do think Viking Therapeutics is a great bet on it. Now, the performance of the stock of the seasonals, as you can see here from 2015, it's a bit all over the place. As you see, we have some years with huge gains, and you see them have some years with very poor gains, even huge minuses, as you can see. So overall, it's really a coin flip stock. But then again, what do you expect from a medicine developing company which don't even make any money? And as you can see, even if I go into the financials here, we don't see any at all. But they are primarily focusing on obesity. The technicals in this stock for the day is a strong buy, and for the month it is a neutral, which I do think is going to reiterate itself to buy quite soon as we are moving more and more upwards, and the 50-day moving average is moving further and further away from the 200-day moving average, and we are moving up quite a lot. Now, I do like where we are lying currently, as we are currently lying on previous support levels, as you can see right before this huge jump, and on this support level right here, as you can see. So the next proper breakthrough point, is actually quite a bit up. It would be right around here. As you can see, we do have some bottom formations and some peaks right here, so it would be about 42. And ever since that, then from that point we need to move up quite a bit more right up here to the bottom here. So as you can see, overall we do have some decent support levels here, but they are quite far apart. So as you can see, chances are if we break through this one right here, and then this one and this one, chances are we're gonna see quite nice rises, but I don't think we're gonna see that this year. I do think this stock is gonna pop maybe in the future, but I'm not sure at the moment. But I do think long term, I do think it's gonna be a great stock, but short term, I wouldn't really recommend it to anybody. Now, as you can see, the analyst rating on this is quite amazing. As you can see, we have 17 strong buy and 2 hold. Do I think it's a bit overrated? I do think it's a bit overrated. As you can see, this is absolutely crazy with the maximum 263% up. But maybe it's just because we have seen companies like Novo Nordisk and Eli Lilly fall quite a bit from their tops, and they have just brought the entire obesity market down with them. Now, annually, as you can see here, they estimated to lose more and more money, and this is great. And you might think, why is it great? Well, that's because this means they're developing more and more, and you love to see when a company does make money that they're investing more and more so they can get better products. As you can see down here, the first year the estimated to make money is 2028 at only $191 billion, which isn't really that much, but let's hope they can beat that, and let's hope it comes before that. But it's quite interesting to see. Now, that was my analysis on Viking Therapeutics. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, please leave the company for me to analyze in the comment section below.